How to trim queen palm trees. Queen palm trees are low-maintenance trees that flourish in full sun, warm temperatures and moist soil. Queen palms are moderately salt-tolerant as well, making them an appropriate choice for homes near the ocean. While queen palms are easy to maintain, they do require sporadic pruning, which is best done in the fall. Things you will need: pruning saw, ladder. Locate dead fronds by looking for yellow and brittle leaves that are hanging downward toward the ground. It is a natural process for palm trees to lose their fronds as they grow. Old, dead fronds will be replaced by new growth at the top of the tree. Using the ladder, carefully saw the frond off 3 inches from the trunk with the pruning saw in even back and forth motions. Cutting closer to the trunk can severely damage the tree since the trunk is formed by expansions of leaf tissue. Avoid cutting, scraping or otherwise damaging the trunk of the tree. Remove the dead fronds away from the trunk of tree. Palm trees have shallow root balls and are very susceptible to diseases. Debris around the base of the trunk increases the risk of insect infestation and disease. Tips: warnings. If your tree loses more than 4 or 5 fronds a year, it may be suffering from a nitrogen deficiency. To correct this, apply a nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Never remove living, green fronds because this will cause serious stress to tree.